Yes, Masayo's messy kitchen. Today, I have one cucumber and I have three chikuwas. So, I'm gonna make so easiest appetizer in the world. Can you see? Cut cucumber like a block, like a stick, and put inside, and from the other side, and in the part you can cut. And just cut half and diagonal. Here you are, like this. Also, you can put some cheese, string cheese inside too. But you can do it for the kids, you know. They must love it. The Chikuwa is a fish cake, Japanese fish cake. They sell in frozen. When you defrost, you don't have to defrost. It's just like in the room temperature. Add some wasabi and soy. Eat. いただきます。I need beer.